Welcome back to the kitchen. My name is Dino and I've got a Greek dip episode for you today. We are making the classic tzatziki sauce. It is just yogurt, cucumber, a little bit of garlic, a couple other things, and you mix it together, stick it in the fridge, and eat it a little bit later, and it is phenomenal. You can put it on literally anything and everything. I mean, from chicken breast to chicken sandwiches to shit, put it on your pizza, man, or put it on a shoe and eat it because it'll be good. I promise. It makes everything taste better. Let's get to it. So, tzatziki, right? Super easy, comes together quick. Two very important things you need to do. You need to grate the cucumber on the large holes of a box grater. Then you need to take that grated cucumber, put a little bit of salt in it to start to draw the moisture out, put it in a sieve or a colander over a bowl or in your sink, and let it kind of drain for about 10 minutes or so. Then after 10 minutes, you're gonna really wring it out. Squeeze it out with your hands, put it in a clean kitchen towel or tea towel and wring it out before you put it in with the yogurt and everything else because you don't want to water it down. Tzatziki is supposed to be a pretty thick dressing. Okay, so we're gonna take probably about half of this cucumber. We're gonna use it, the skin and all too. So I'm actually gonna grate it into the bowl like this. It's going to go everywhere. It's just a thing that happens, man. You gotta clean. After you cook, you're gonna make a mess. You gotta clean. Okay, a little bit of kosher salt. Not too much because we're gonna put salt in the dip. This is just to kind of get it started. Plus we're gonna wring most of this out anyway, so all that salt is gonna disappear. So we're gonna go into that, dump it all over your cutting board. In our bowl, we're going to put 1 pound or half a kilo of good strained Greek yogurt. You can use, I get this from the Greek specialty food store that I frequent, where I get the Greek olive oil and the feta and all that. Use faye if you want, okay? Don't use Chobani. Just don't do it. And I don't care. Chobani can come at me and I'll tell them their yogurt, their Greek yogurt sucks. It's not Greek yogurt. Come at me, Chobani. Do it. Tell me I'm wrong. A little salt. A little pepper. We're going to do 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This was about 3 here. Measure with your heart. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. And then we're gonna take a clove of garlic and we are going to microplane the garlic into said mixture. Get the paper off of it. If you don't have a microplane, get yourself a microplane. It's probably gonna be like a teaspoon or so of garlic. Okay, fantastic. All together now. Now, the squeezies. You must squeeze out the cucumber. I mean, it's like so much water comes out of here. It's crazy. We should measure this and see how much it is. It's like just under, it's like a teaspoon shy of a quarter cup. That would not be good. I mean, you could probably, tastes good. Cucumber, just have to clean everything out of the way. We're gonna stir that in. Do it like this. It's gonna be somebody, a Greek, coming at me down there in the comments being like, well, you didn't put any dill in there, or mint or parsley or whatever. Bro, if you want dill in your tzatziki, put dill in your tzatziki. I don't do it. I don't want it in there. Again, the recipe is, this is a guide, man. This is like your starting point. You want to put dill, you want to put mint, you want to put parsley, whatever you want to put in here, put it in, man. It's all good. Now, after tasting that, it needs more salt. And, dare I say, it needs more vinegar. And that's why you need to taste your food. Oh yeah. Woo! Wonderful. This has to go in the fridge for 30 minutes. Probably last in your fridge for like, I'm not a biologist. I'm not a specialist in rotten food. 5 days? But I'll tell you what, I've definitely had this in my fridge for like 3 weeks and still eating it. Again, don't listen to me. This is not professional advice. There it is, guys. There is your classic tzatziki sauce. Yogurt, cucumber, and garlic. We're gonna give it a little taste here with some pita bread. Oh, broke a little piece of pita off in there. That's great. Creamy, garlicky, a little freshness from the cucumber. Really well balanced, very good. It'll go perfect on your souvlaki or your burger, wherever you want to put it. And that's it, super easy to make. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the good stuff. Check the links in the description down below for the recipe and links to our friends at Greek Food Emporium. And honestly, if you didn't like this video, whatever, man, I don't care. I don't. You want dill in your tzatziki? Put dill in it. Go make your own show and put dill in your tzatziki, and then we can have a battle and we can have a taste off and see whose is better, because I guarantee it's mine.